Hello, my name is Anamika Kumari Verma.
And my name is Abhitesh Verma.
So we actually came across Naveen's and we have booked for the Pine 207 block and would like to share a small experience of us with Naveen, how it was. So coming up to Chennai was not something where we were thinking that yes, we'll go for a property or something like that. We were actually opting for Bangalore, but then when we started searching properties, it was like at once, how we Google and we search. So I got Naveen's. So then it hit my mind, okay, why not to go and just have a look. So we'll tell Naveen's was my first apartment that I visited, and we liked the construction on the very day because it was quite compact as well as beautiful, Looking at the pillar as well as the architecture, it was really good. And the best part of Naveen's, what I liked was out of 100% area, you have 70% greenery. 30% is the built-up area. So that's the main thing because you have the views, you have the trees, plants, everything. And plus coming up to the amenities and all, like we have gone through few videos of different apartments, but I found coming up to Naveen's, the clubhouse was really better than all, So we have everything built up in one space. Kids enjoy the small area in between where we have the kids can play, even outside the parking lot where we have a land which was gifted by Naveen's to the government, as we got to know from one of the executives. So even that is well maintained by Naveen's, and we as a owner, we are allowed to go and have a walk. Kids are allowed to play. I have seen basketball coaches going on and all. So coming up, would like to give a 5 on 5 review to Naveen. So it is Mr. Fahimuddin, who is the one who helped us from day one, and the booking happened really in a very fast manner. 14th Feb was the day I went for my advance, and 29th Feb, within 15 days my registration was complete. That's the best part of Naveen, hassle-free registration. We had taken a loan from L&T Finance, and Mr. JK, he was Jay Prakash, he was the one who helped us over there. So even he has done a marvelous job. Now coming up to our Naveen's headquarters, so it was Suganti who helped us from CRM's team, and it was really wonderful. I know I have bugged her a lot, troubled her a lot throughout this experience, but then it was her pleasure that she has calmly handled everything. And today I would like to conclude in just one word: within 33 days I'm getting my keys in hand. So that's the best part, and a big kudos to Naveen's. Thank you.